Let's tour room 313. Starting the security features, you have a deadbolt and a latch. Fire evacuation map and a peephole. This is the bathroom. Sink and a mirror. Here's the closet. Luggage rack. Hangers. An ironing board. More hangers over here. Here's the bathroom. Here's the toilet. Bathtub. Shower. Here's the view of the room. Here's the thermostat. Here are the beds, 2 queen beds. Here are the lamps. Telephone, alarm clock. It's the TV, remote, channel guide. Here's the coffee maker, microwave. You also have your mini fridge. Trash area. Office chair and a desk with an ice bucket, 2 water bottles. Here's another lamp. Here's the AC unit. Looks like it's still controlled here, it looks like. There's another chair with another lamp. Here's your balcony. It's a pretty nice view. Got chairs and a table. Close that. This door is heavy to close. Oh, there we go. So yeah, that's pretty much all for this room tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.